Oh my god.
Okay, we might be delirious.
Okay, we might hate this tomorrow. But hold on. We have our fucking name.
I think making up brand X, if at some point a better name comes along, will happen organically, we'll know it. We already had complete mind fucks trying to think of better names.
I don't know how I feel about this.
What?
Obviously been trying to think of a name forever. We want to take the V from her name and then the E from my name, and then we love the idea of like brand X because this brand that just like stands for its own thing. So
why can't it be called brand X? It sounds cool. Gosh.
I just don't know.
Name. Do you have a name?
I don't have a name. This is what I'm saying. We don't have a name and it's driving me crazy. What's that called? Glam Girls. Glam Girls? For the name of the brand? Oh my god. No. X. I just want us to be 100% sure about the name.
We don't have enough of the vision to be able to feel 100%. We're gonna go get some inspiration material.
Some inspo, some vision boarding. This is like the best part. The perfect name would be something that encompasses masculinity and femininity all in one. We are on our way to Barnes & Noble. We're gonna get magazines. Let's go. And books.
Books, magazines,
that whole thing.
Whatever we can find. So good, Talia. So good.
I was gonna watch this movie the other day. Have you seen the movie? Oh my god.
Guys.
That wasn't even. We did not even. That's actually crazy.
Like that's her whole thing. It's like the masculine feminine thing.
That's exactly what we want.
And her lover, Diego.
I need to find me a Diego.
No, you don't.
Never mind.
I feel like when you're trying to create something,
Yes.
you take from all these random different inspiration sources that they seem to make no sense.
Yes.
You know, and that's how, it's not like we're copying something, it's like we're taking a piece from this and a
piece from that, and then you create your own. This is women through a man's eyes.
Like, you know, when you're talking about the female male, I think there is still a little bit of the men's perspective. There's like a flirtiness.
I feel like we're gonna find the name.
I don't know, I'm not feeling magical.
You're not feeling
Deep
magical?
breaths, deep breaths.
I'm feeling magical. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling magical.
You are? Okay, let's feed off your magic. We need a warrior woman book.
We need a warrior woman book.
No, 100%.
Like we need like warrior princess.
the mood is not complete without it. Wow. I feel like we need a little like ancient Egypt.
Oh yeah.
Iconic. This book is the reason I became a makeup artist. Literally, I remember every single page. Like everything is very anti-glam. There's not a powerfulness.
Just because you're powerful and masculine doesn't mean you can't be glam.
Yeah.
Or salads. Got a refuel. That was so fun. We got some really good inspo.
Yeah.
We're gonna go through all the books. Let's be real. We're not reinventing the wheel here. There's a gazillion makeup brands out there.
I think this is where we really need to talk about how our customer is diverse. We don't want like, oh, this is our girl. Like that whole maybe like old school marketing mentality of like, oh, our girl is this and our girl is that. It's like, no. Our girl is not pigeonholed. She might not even be a girl. Like that's how unpigeonholed she is.
Perfect.
16 to 65. I like that number.
16 to, who's our age target? 16 to 65. Our brand culture is going to be like that strong, kick-ass, female that takes no BS from anyone.
Okay, so distribution, e-com, pop-up, Sephora. That's what's up.
Well,
Boom shakalaka.
we're done,
We're done.
guys. We pretty much have a
That was
very
intense.
clear vision of where this brand is going, what we're doing with it. Now we just gotta make it happen.
We have been out here for the last 2 hours.
Girl, I didn't know you were like this.
She doesn't
You're
realize
worse
I'm
than
filming. She doesn't realize I'm filming.
She's insane.
Guys, we've been literally out here for like hours brainstorming this name. We've come up with a million different names.
Does that look whack?
XX. We're so torn.
We're so torn. We love that.
We love like visually we love certain things, but then like it has to sound good, it has to like have meaning, like so many things. So
And we're realizing like look how like that looks so sick.
like brands that we love, they visually look amazing and they sound amazing. So we're trying to get to that, but finding a name that encompasses all those things is not easy.
This is definitely the hardest. I mean, obviously we're like not very far along yet, but this is the hardest part. This is the biggest struggle.
And I know that sometimes people say the name isn't that big of a deal, but
To us it is. To us it is.
it really is. And then on top of that, finding a name that is available.
Mhm.
We need the URL, we need the social handles, we need the LLC. Oh my god.
Okay, we might be delirious.
Okay, we might hate this tomorrow. But hold on. Okay, we need to explain how this all came together. We started to, what did you ask?
I said I was saying that like cool like club names and stuff like that is fucking cool.
Oh
And
yeah,
so, like
that's how this
you know,
combo started.
and then I was like, what's the name of a club we've been to that's fucking cool? Or like, what was the last really cool club you went to?
And then, why did we talk about Toronto?
Because I was like, is there a club maybe that we met at or something that could bring in a significance? It's not just a random
And then
club.
she asked, she's like, oh, what was that hotel that we were at the very first time we met? And I was like, oh, the Four Seasons. We can't call it that. And then we were like, okay, well, we met in Toronto. And then I was like, oh,
What about
the Six.
And you just saw that we have been playing around with the double X. We fucking love the double X. We think it looks so sick.
Wait, Six with 2 X's.
Six Cosmetics.
Six Cosmetics. Kind
Or
of sounds.
Six Beauty. Is it hard to say?
Six Beauty? No, Six Beauty is not hard to say.
Six Beauty.
Six Beauty, it kind of sounds like sex, so it's sexy, it's feminine, but it's six, so it's like
Sick.
masculine, which is what we want. We want like a good mix of masculine and
Yeah.
feminine.
I think we're
And it
into
sounds like sick.
Most importantly, we love how it looks.
It looks dope.
Because that's the other thing. We've come up with a lot of names that we're like, oh, that sounds cool. But then we actually look at it and
It doesn't
visually
look
doesn't
cool.
Really look cool.
Six Beauty.
Six Beauty?
Are we crazy? Does it suck? We don't even know anymore. So,
You don't even know what just happened.
Six Beauty is taken on IG, which is a problem. I look crazy. What's happening underneath my eyes? Okay. Six Beauty is taken on IG, which is a problem, and on Facebook, which is a problem. But we can try to buy it off that person. But like, what if they don't want to sell it? Sixbeauty.com is available. But then we were thinking, what if it was six with a Y? SYXX.
It's incredible.
Look at this.
So
Are you kidding me?
I'm so nervous.
We're trying to decide if we want beauty or cosmetics. Are you serious right now? This is going to be our campaign. It's going to be amazing. It's sick. Sick. Like, are you kidding?
Six Beauty. Six Beauty. Six Beauty.
Six Beauty.
Six, it has significance to both of us.
So it's going to be SYXX.
And then that was the other thing, is that we wanted it something visual. Like,
And we really wanted something to represent masculine and feminine. So like the Y for the Y and X for the male and feminine for male, masculine and feminine. It sounds high fashion that we wanted, which is what we wanted. We wanted to sound more like a fashion brand rather than just like a beauty brand. It's cool, it's edgy, it's like sexy, it's fun. The visuals are gonna be amazing. The logo is gonna be the XX. Like, it's fucking perfect. And it has the cool factor too, because people are gonna look at it and like they're not necessarily gonna know exactly how to pronounce it, but it's not hard to say. Once they know it's Six Beauty, then it's like, oh, it's Six.
The 6 eyeliner.
The Six eyeliner, the Six mascara.
Have you used the 6 mascara?
Yeah, I love it.
Have
It's
you used
sick.
No, the 6 lip gloss is really good.
Oh my god. Six
So we
Beauty.
think we found the name.
Yeah, or it's clearly what it is. Okay.
We found the name. She just doesn't realize it yet. It is official.
Woo! We celebrated.
We have a brand name. We have a brand name. We, hey, hey. Guys,
6 Beauty.
Six Beauty.
What?
This is the beginning of a whole new world for us. It is just the beginning, and I cannot believe it. I'm at home. Nat's back at her place. The craziest thing just happened, and I had to get on here and show you. I come home. I'm organizing my house. I have the pile of books that we got from the bookstore. I'm going through all the books. I'm bringing them up. And then all of a sudden, I see one of the books we bought. I completely forgot we bought this. I can't. And it just made me realize, like, why were we so drawn to this book? It was just something about these 6 women that all had different personalities and different lives. We always talk about beauty, how it's like a way for a woman to play the character she needs to play in that moment. If she's going to a meeting, she's going to be a bad bitch. If she's going to, you know, take care of a child, she's going to be caring and motherly. And it's like we always have to play these characters. And there's just something about this story, this book, that like made us feel like women have to play so many roles. At least 6 roles. This was just nuts. Anyways, Nat doesn't know that I'm filming this, but I guess I just kind of want to say, like, I am so happy right now. I have never been so sure about something, and I feel so grateful and so excited to be doing this with her because we are on the same page in such a crazy way. I've never felt so in sync with someone creatively like this. And we've always kind of had that special bond ever since back in Toronto, ever since back in the 6. I'm so grateful that this is happening, and I would never, ever, ever, ever in a million years want to do this with anybody else but her. And I'm so confident in this because we're doing this together. So if this isn't a sign, I don't know what is.
Virago.
Virago.
Do you want
Virago.
Do you want to try to be Virago
Eyeliner.